I am Monica Singh Roha from IELTS 9. Here in this video I have taken Cambridge IELTS 14 book and I am going to show how to attempt complete the summary. Complete the summary, because as you know, for academic as well as GT students, both the students have to do this kind of activity in IELTS reading. This kind of questions they have to do it in IELTS reading. Okay, let's start our video. Okay, let's look at the question. Oh, it was mistake. Now I have taken reading passage 2 from test 3. For this purpose, let's discuss complete the summary below. We will be solving this complete the summary below. And in this we have to choose only one word only from the passage for each answer. This is very important to look for this word. Okay, now here write your answers in boxes 23 to 26. Always read the instructions. Okay, now we have been given research at every State University. Okay, no need to read it properly because this is not your speaking test, this is your reading test only. So before starting it, let me discuss the tips for complete the summary questions. Okay, first tip is I mean to say tip here. It doesn't mean that you are going to get 100% marks. Of course, it's your practice as well as your understanding for complete the summary. I am going to explain how to go about this type of questions in IELTS reading. Okay, first important thing is always read the instructions. Okay, instructions here mean what they are saying. Choose one word or two words or three words, and or a number. Of course, and or a number in IELTS listening only. Most of the time in IELTS reading passages, only one word or two words or three words are given like this. Okay, second thing is, of course, we are doing complete the summary. So there is a story, there is some description, so we have to read the title of this passage. It is very important to look for the title of the passage, because with this title we are going to find the location of this passage. But sometimes what it happens, first two these filling the blanks are from the same paragraph, and the last two or the last one may be from other paragraphs. No problem, but first we have to find this title in the reading passage. Okay, now the next step is, first we have discussed read the instructions, title, find it into the passage for the location. Okay, for the location also circle the keywords. Which keywords? Of course, in the question statement. Like for finding this blank, what we are going to circle it here. Rose Piper, yes, this is the name. We can find zoologist, and this also. Wherever we find this university's name, of course, we are near to the answers. After finding the location, it is very easy to find the answers. It all depend on your understanding and how you go about, how you find the answers, how you understand the paraphrasing of the statements. This is all thing you require actually. And the next one is, yes, next one is just, okay, the next one is, it is important, like this is the blank, and before and after the blank, just look for these words. They can also be a clue for finding the answers in the blanks. Okay, before blank is here, before is this word, and after is this word. This is important to look for this, especially general training candidates. Please pay attention towards this point. This is very important for GT students. Most of the complete the summary, complete the notes, complete the table below. Before and after the words are important in GT reading. This is very important. Okay, next and the last for this complete the summary, look for synonyms and paraphrasing of question statements. Sometimes they used to do they here means writer. They used to write many synonym for one or two words, or sometimes they paraphrase of question statement most of the time, but in complete the summary they used to do paraphrase of question statement definitely. But sometimes they can use the synonyms for a single word, for a word before and after words. Okay, now we have discussed how to go about complete the summary. Let's do one exercise with me. Okay, as I told you, look for the title. Of course, we have to find the word, this title in the reading passage, and but side by side please read the question statement for the first fill in the blanks. Rose Piper and fellow zoologists at this university are using their expertise in dash. Okay, here it is. And when undertaking bioprospecting with insects. Okay, now with the help of these words we can easily go to the location. Okay, let's go to the paragraph. Now it is the passage 2. It is passage 2. Let's look at the paragraph. This is the paragraph. Just a minute, I'm just coming to the first page. Yes, this is the reading passage 2 and the title is Saving Bugs to Find New Drugs. Of course, here we have 3 types of questions, but some students find it easy to do the complete the summary. So we have to look for the words and find and skim the paragraph and finding the words, that university name and Rose Piper. Okay, let's start it from here. Okay, that university name is important to find. Your pencil should move like this only. With your eyes, of course, pencil. Move your pencil. Move your that university, Rose Piper. Okay. C. D also. Let me show you D also. Just a minute. Now let's look at the word in D paragraph also, that university's name and Rose Piper. Okay, I could not find anything like this. Let's go to the next page. Okay, here it is, E. What? Okay, received larvae of a meanwhile compound. Let's go to the F1, white insects finally targeted. Okay, where the university has gone? Oh my god, many insects. Yes, were talking about insects also, but yes, I got this university. Yes. Okay, now what we have to find it. Now we have found the location here. Okay, now let's read the statement also again. Okay, Rose Piper and fellow geologists at this university are using their expertise in dash. Okay, when undertaking bioprospecting with insects. Okay, gee. First I was looking for this university's name only. My colleagues, it means he must be Rose Piper, but of course let's read the statement first. In the UK have developed an approach. Developed an approach in which we use our knowledge of ecology as a guide to target our efforts. The creatures that particularly interest are many. The insects that secret powerful poison for this. Okay, now my colleagues, let's find it. Who is this colleague? It means name must be here only in the paragraphs. Okay, I'm just trying to find the name. Consequently, they have bewildering many more drugs. Okay, my god. Okay, let's go to it from that tiny. For example, South Korea. What is secondly? Thirdly, okay, many insects. Okay, let me find the question. Rose Piper and fellow. Okay, fellow. Yes, colleagues. Yes. I got the word colleagues. Yes, it is given. Colleagues spelling is mistake. Okay, colleagues, yes, I found. Expertise, they are talking about expertise here. Like, let's look at this. My colleagues is what they were saying, fellow geologist. Okay. My colleagues and I at this university in the UK have developed an approach in which we use our knowledge. Knowledge here means expertise. So that's why I was urging you, urging you to learn so many synonyms for simple words, not the harder words. In fact, you should learn only simple word synonym. Okay, we use our expertise of ecology as a guide to target our efforts. Yes, the sentence we have found it. Rose, Piper and Fellow, this thing we have found, are using their knowledge in ecology when undertaking bioprospecting with insects. Yes, we have properly found this sentence. It is the sentence as a target to as a guide to target our efforts. Yes. So expert, now before and after word is expertise in. Of course, they have not used the word in, they have used the word of ecology. Expertise in ecology. Let's write it here, ecology. Okay, next word, they are especially interested in the compounds that insects produce to overpower and preserve their what? Okay, preserve their, now they are especially interested in the compounds. Yes, overpower, insects produce, something is there to produce, preserve. Okay, let's read it further. The creatures, of course, must be talking about insects that particularly interest us are many insects are there that secret powerful poison for, yes, what they are producing. That secret here means, let's read it again, okay, before coming to the conclusion. For subduing prey here means if I say its meaning in Hindi, उसको बेहोश करने के लिए, तो वो अपना एक पावरफुल पॉइजन दे यूज टू सीक्रेट मीन्स थ्रो एंड कीपिंग इट फ्रेश फॉर फ्यूचर कंजम्पशन. उसको बस थोड़ा सा बेहोश टाइप का कर देता है और उसको थोड़ा सा फ्रेश रखता है ताकि फ्यूचर कंजम्पशन में उसको, so they don't have to consume it stale. Okay, now let's find it what they are asking. Preserve their, yes, preserve their, yes, for preserve their prey. Yes, how? Let's find it again. They are especially interested in the compounds that insects, compounds, let me tell you where it was, that insects produce to overpower and preserve. Overpower is subdue, and preserve their prey, and preserve their prey means keeping it fresh. Keeping it here means preserve fresh for future consumption. What? For prey. See, इसका भी हिंदी में मीनिंग भी you can understand. The creatures that particularly interest us, जो creatures में जिनको जिसमें इंटरेस्ट था इन लोगों को, वो आर द मेनली इंसेक्ट्स. इंसेक्ट्स दैट सीक्रेट पावरफुल पॉइजन. दैट सीक्रेट हेयर मीन्स produce powerful poison for subduing, for overpower. It is overpower, उस पावर के ऊपर ओवर लेने के लिए. प्रे किसके ऊपर टारगेट है? इन इंसेक्ट्स का. हु आर दे? देयर प्रे. सो लेट्स राइट इट हियर, their prey. Yes, I have written here. Okay, next, they are also interested in compounds which insects use to protect themselves from pathogenic bacteria. Okay, now this bacteria name the writer cannot change. Of course, we will definitely get in the with the help of this word we will be getting the clue. And fungi found in their dash. Okay, they are interested in compounds which insect use to protect. Okay, जैसे ही आप whenever you are reading it, please try to read it twice or thrice in order to get the meaning of this sentence. Meaning अगर आपको आएगा तो whatever the paraphrasing they are doing, of course you 100% you can get the answers. Okay, They are also interested in compounds which insects use to protect themselves from pathogenic bacteria. Okay, pathogenic bacteria. Yes, here it is. Bacteria and fungi. Yes. Now, okay, what they are asking for. These insects have many compounds, okay, for dealing with this. Yes, we got this statement. And fungi, suggesting that there is a okay, that there is certainly potential to find many compounds they can serve as a inspire or new antibiotics. Okay, but what was the question? Let's read it again. They are also interested in compounds which insects use to protect themselves from. Okay, they, who are they? And fungi found in their interested in compounds which insects use to protect themselves from. इंटरेस्टेड इन कंपाउंड्स, वो ऐसे कंपाउंड्स में इंटरेस्टेड थे जो इंसेक्ट्स जिसको यूज टू प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्व्स फ्रॉम दिस बैक्टीरिया एंड फंगाई फाउंड इन देयर. ओके, इन देयर. ओके, these insects have antimicrobial these okay compounds for dealing with there is certainly potential to find compound that can serve in new. Okay, I am not getting the answer. Who are they? Okay, let's read it. थोड़ा ऊपर पढ़ लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. Let's read it from upper lines. Okay, there we get the answer on from for the upper fill the blanks. Keeping it fresh for future consumption, there are even more insects that masters of exploiting filthy habitats. Okay, there are even more insects that are masters of exploiting filthy habitats such as feces, this where they are regularly challenged by thousands of microorganisms. I think now they are talking about habitats. There are even more insects that are masters of exploiting filthy habitats such as this where they are regularly challenged by thousands of these insects have many this. Okay, so they are talking about these persons. It means they are even more that are masters of exploiting habitats. Let's read it again. Okay, what they are saying, they are also interested in compounds which insects use to protect themselves from. Interested in compounds which okay, fungi found in their. Yes, found in their, of course. This they are talking. They are even more insects that are masters of exploiting filthy habitats such as these habitats where they are regularly challenged by thousands of microorganisms. These insects have this compounds. They are talking about compounds also in the question for dealing with this. There is a okay. Let's go to their habitats. Their habitats. See, or nothing else. It is suiting in. It is fitting in this blank. If you find it, if you read it properly, then you will find they are talking about this thing. Okay, found in their habitats. They are here. See, there are even more insects. Now they are these insects. They are talking about insects that are masters of exploiting these filthy habitats. Okay, in this way they are talking like this. Okay, next 26 is Piper hopes that these substances will be useful in the development of drugs such as. Okay, Piper hopes that these substances will be useful in the development of drugs such as. Okay, what such as? Okay, let's find it. Antibiotics. Yes. Okay, okay, such as drugs. Yes, drugs can be. Yes, to inspire. I think let's read it from here. Okay, now the question was Piper hopes that these substances will be. Piper is a person now. Hopes that these substances, which substances, will be useful in the development of drugs. This thing. Okay, such as. Yes. These insects have many antimicrobial compounds for dealing with pathogenic bacteria and fungi, suggesting that there is certainly potential to find many compounds that can serve as or inspire new antibiotics. These compounds can serve or as inspire new antibiotics. So our answer is antibiotics. If you look at the sentence, antibiotics, yes, it is given. If you look at the sentence, hopes that these substances, these compounds will be useful in development of drugs such as, of course, now they are saying, the writer is saying, suggesting that there is certainly potential to find, yes, there is talking about the potential to find many compounds that can serve as new antibiotics or inspire. So in this way we have complete the summary. Complete the summary from test 3 passage 2, and the book is of course IELTS 14. And thanks